Did you know? There are 3 different kinds of travel pass available for you in Switzerland, for all tourists. Just example. Swiss Travel Pass, the ultimate all-in-one ticket. Offers unlimited consecutive days of travel on trains, buses, and boats, plus free admission to over 500 museums. Mountain excursions are heavily discounted, up to 50%. Available for 3, 4, 6, 8, or 15 days. Swiss Travel Pass Flex offers the same benefits as the standard pass, but allows you to pick your travel days within a 1-month period. Swiss Half Fare Card costs about 120 Swiss francs and guarantees a 50% discount on almost all train, bus, boat, and mountain railway tickets for a full month. Ideal if you are staying longer or traveling slowly. To purchase such tickets, please contact the ticket counter in any nearby train station or ask your hotel receptionist.